Hey everyone, welcome to this demo of TI-Restro, our powerful SaaS-based, easy-to-use restaurant management system. Whether you run a small cafe or a large multi-branch restaurant, TI-Restro helps you manage everything from one place. Orders, menu, billing, staff, inventory, reports, expenses, you name it. Let me show you how it works. So, this is the dashboard. You start with here. You can see whatever statistics you want of your restaurant, even the monthly graph chart of how your sales is going. Today's sales order is also seen through here. You can personalize this and make it your own through your settings, so you can change everything from here. Let's start with how to take an order. So as you can see, I just went into the POS here, and after here I just clicked on the menu items I wanted. I sent it to the KOT, or if I wanted, I would have sent it to the printer as well. Here you can check that order in the KOT and you got your notification as well. So the food is being prepared. You can manage your KOT completely over here and your orders as well. This order has not been assigned a table, so let's quickly assign a table to our guest, and let's add new KOT from here if you want, or you can just go for bill and payment. You can split the bill, custom split, equally split, or split by items. Okay, the payment is completed and you can send it to the printer if you want. This QR, currently I showed it off the table. It is mainly for your payment. You can see what type of payments, or you can see the order number, table number, whatever items, if there is any taxes involved, even your address and phone number, VAT ID, date, time, everything. You can customize it. It's completely fully customizable as well, guys, so you can customize it through your settings. You can manage your orders, as I said. From here you can see them all. You can manage your menu, add new menus, new menu items, add more categories if you want, and you can manage your tables and areas, and every table has their own QR code. This is your branch QR code. So this QR code, if you scan it, let's quickly just go to this is your free website. So through this your customers can call your waiters, or they could just add their order and go for dine-in delivery. Yes, you heard it right. You can get delivery in this system as well, but it needs to be a verified user, authentic user. So we have put a two-factor authentication method so that you don't get redundant orders through our system. Let's quickly go back in. You can manage your waiter requests over here. So how will you receive waiter requests? So let's quickly go to this QR code. I'm from table number 1. If I just call the waiter on table number T9, okay, wait a moment. Within 5 seconds, yeah, you heard it right. Within 5 seconds, you just got your waiter request. You can manage your customer details and their due data from here: paid, canceled, and their complete order history. You can manage and add as many staff members. You heard it right, as many staff members as required. No limits whatsoever. Same with delivery executives. You can quickly check your payments and payment reports through here. You can check and add your expenses through here. You can see your reports, your expenses, your orders, your item category sales report. You can get a complete inventory management system. Even purchase order, yes, even purchase order could be placed through this system to your suppliers. So more than that, you can get complete customizability. Thank you for watching our demo. Signing out from Tech Integrators.